Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystem.com. This video making about Bitcoin, right? So let's get started. The last chart I made, and I don't know when I made the last video about this. The last chart was in March, the beginning of March, 4th March. You see the date here. Now, Elliott wave count on this one, and very clear Elliott wave here. So wave 1, 2, and this wave 3 to this high. So I said, well, these are the big highs, and they're probably going to stop the move, and it's going to drop for wave 4. Maybe to this high here, or this, these highs, right? Or maybe even this one, who knows, right? So, first thing first, maybe this one, around 38% of this rise from wave 3, 4 wave 3, from here to here, right? So what happened is it went up a little bit, as I was expecting that it's probably gonna hit this area and then drop. But what happened is that it went up and then broke above it a little bit more to the upside and then start to drop. Right. So all this like March and then April and then now we are in May, right? So what really happens now? This move, obviously, it is wave 1, 2, and then wave 3 should be finishing here, but it went up, a lot more than that. So this what we call is extended wave 3, which is normal. That happens once in a while, right? And there's 261% of wave 1. That's the second target. The first target is 161 usually, right? When it's extended, it goes to 261 or even higher. It can. So, whoops, that's okay. So this one, I made this chart on an MT4 platform, but now I'm having problem with this MT4 platform taking this Bitcoin. So I started looking somewhere else, and I found TradingView has some decent chart here. So this is I made this chart, the same thing, 1 week. This is a weekly chart, Bitcoin weekly chart, and it is very similar to the one I had for in MT4, right? All this high, and then low, and then wave 1, 2, and then. So now you can see here, this is wave 1 and 2, and we end up wave 3 here, just above this high. Then we came down here in ABC fashion, so A, B, C, that's A, I would say. Then we went up. Now maybe we are posting wave B. Now wave 4 usually come in 3 corrective waves like this. Now this is wave 1, ABC 2, then you have big wave 3, like I said, 161% or 261% extended. And after that, if it is falling into wave 4, this is the fashion that it comes in wave 4, A, B, C. Sometimes it goes even outside this rising channel, right? It break below the channel and then gets back inside the channel and then go for wave 5 like this, right? So this is the Elliott wave theory. Well, sometimes practical is different. But right now, I look look at it, and it seems to me that it is behaving good, and it is going down for wave 4. Look at that, right? So we have A, we have B, and if we can stay, we are just sitting above this or at this number 69,335. Right now, you can see the price is dropping. I just saw a little while ago 69,338, and now it is 69,215. So it's dropping a little bit, right? So as long as we can stay below the 69,355, we have a very solid chance of going back to this area here. Low of this, I forgot to type this here, but it's too far. So we can make another chart in the meantime. But we have a lot of numbers. You have this number, we have this number, we have this number to take out, right? And a couple of these numbers. And then this is a 38%. You can see this fib for wave 3, you draw from here to here. This 38% blue count is right there. So usually wave 4 falls into, go around 38%, right? This fib from here to here, it is showing that extensions of this whole thing. A couple of numbers, usually price goes there for extension, 127 or 161. So 127 is here, right? So it might be gonna go there, but first falling for wave 4 here, and then it will rise again for wave 5 towards this extension level, right? So poking into this area already showing that we are probably going for extension, but first thing first, we need to finish this wave 4 around 38%, hopefully, if I'm right. This thing can do anything it wants, right? It can just pop and then go to the upside, but officially, like, Elliott wave count is, we need this wave 4 here. Then it will rise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or maybe straight line or whatever. It's 127, or if too much pressure, it can go to 161 as well, right? So, but first thing will be 127. So right now, here, 38% of this wave 3 for wave 4, and then probably we're gonna start bouncing and then go up towards 127, right? This count here, I mean the fib. From this to this extension level, 127 is there, 84,000 right there, right? So this is how it is. Right now, we are, like I said, that we are sitting and slowly dropping below, just below 69,355, this high. Next would be this, then this, then this, then one of these, right? And then let's see what happens, right? So this is what I look at it, and the way it is, wave 4 underway, and let's see what happens. So this is all I can come up with, right? I do not trade right now Bitcoin completely. I stopped it, and I don't have any, it's a smaller chart, doesn't mean anything. The bigger picture is, this is the one that I see, the very clear picture, and that's how I have it here, right? So it may help you, may not, but this is what I have. I try my best. Okay, so bye for now, and talk to you guys later.